What is going on, everyone? What day is today? Wednesday here in Southern Ontario, and we got a lot going on. I know it's been a little while since I've touched base, but I'm going to update you on a few things. First and foremost, truck looks mint, as you can see. Waxed it all up, cleaned it all up. She looks mint. Zeke is right there. He is doing fantastic and loving life. So truck parts are on the way, and let me fill you guys in on what I've done so far. I think I've shown you earlier, but I got the front tinted 15%, and this rear is 5%. As you can tell, it's pretty freaking dark. Hey bud, got his eye for him. Oh maybe, oh, there we go, somewhere there. So these windows are tinted. This is 5%, and this is only 15, I think. So I might get this one matched again. This one's not very dark, or not dark enough for me, I don't think. However, I got the new bullet antenna on it. Also kind of minor, nothing crazy. I'm not sure if my first video picked it up, but I removed the little bullshit piece of plastic that was there. I got like half a foot of clearance. So it's looking pretty mint, but small. But tomorrow is the big day. I'm currently back home right now, and tonight I'm taking to the shop. I'll put up a clip right now. And the shop, I woke up this morning and the shop had posted this to their Instagram story, which had me pretty fired up because the rims had arrived. And I'm not sure if you guys have ordered rims before from this place, but it can be pretty spotty. They can come damaged, or they can take forever to come in. And anyways, the rims have come in. The BDS 6-inch lift is in. The Toyo 35-inch tires are in. Open countries, obviously, not cheaping out there. And these TIS 22 by 12 rims are also in. So I wasn't sure if we were gonna have to wait until Friday for the truck to go in the shop because we're waiting on rims, but I woke up this morning, saw this Instagram post, and they're in right now. So the truck, I'm back home right now. The truck's going up north. It's going to this shop, the Garage Performance, which what they focus on is lift kits and performance modifications, not like a regular shop sort of thing. So this is step 2 to 3 of the truck build, I guess. There's lots of other parts on the way, but obviously the biggest part being the lift kit, tires, and rims. So there's a lot on the way for parts itself, minor parts like the hitch and all the interior parts and the tin for the light. However, it's gonna turn out to be a sick build. All these small little pieces of the puzzle are gonna start coming together, and it's gonna start looking really, really good. I'm really excited for this drop hitch too. I saw some online, and I have to get this powder coated, otherwise I don't think it'll look quite as good. It's also gonna get zinc plated and some other shit the guy's gonna do to make sure the corrosion is minimal. I'm also gonna give him the truck in a couple days to do the hitch itself and protect the hitch. So I'm currently traveling to the cottage, and we got a bit of a tour on the agenda for tonight. So I thought I was gonna cut this video off earlier, but we're continuing it. So what I have to do is, I'm on the way to the cottage, and there's no one else up there right now. There's no family. So what I have to do is, I have to take this truck to the cottage. The Sea-Doos are out of the water, so I have to take the Sea-Doos to one of the marinas nearby and dock it. So I gotta dock the Sea-Doo, drive it back to the cottage, and then my truck will still be sitting there. So we have to, once I arrive back at the cottage after driving the Sea-Doo back there, I'm gonna have to walk back to the truck, and then we're driving it up to Huntsville, which is about another hour north, and it's going to the shop. The truck's going in tomorrow, as I mentioned earlier in this video. So I got a bit of a few things to take care of first. First and foremost, getting up there safely, and then getting the Sea-Doo in the water, and then driving the truck up north. The reason for that is because since the truck is going to be in the shop for the next 2 days, I work up here, and the Sea-Doo is going to be my only mode of transportation to get to work. So I have to dock the Sea-Doo tonight, then take the truck up to the shop and cab back, because all my friends are busy, which is unfortunate, but anyways. So then I'll have the Sea-Doo to take to work for the next few days, and the truck should be done on Friday. I'm recording this on Wednesday night. They're gonna have all day Thursday and all day Friday to work on it. But stay tuned with me. So in the next couple clips, I'm gonna show you, we're gonna back the Sea-Doo in, drive it to the cottage, and then we're gonna drive to the auto shop. I think it's a pretty nice place, pretty well known in this area for what they do. They have good work, and they've been great this far. Yeah, stay tuned and tag along with me on the ride. Thanks, guys. Just got to the marina, guys. Here I am. check out this new Amazon purchase I got. Carbon wheel cover. Anyways, time to rate my backing up skills. Now we got a boat there, so this might be a bit difficult, but we'll figure it out. This is what I need the pill mirrors for. So, I have to have these Sea-Doos for work tomorrow, so we gotta get this one docked. Gonna have to move this puppy over there because I don't think she'll pull out the way she is. So I'm gonna start her up, carefully maneuver it over there, leave the truck here, drive the Sea-Doo back, come walk back, get the truck, and then we'll go to the shop. We're back at the marina to the truck, walking from the cottage back to the marina. GPS said it took about 45 minutes. We did it in 31. How are ya? And onto the auto shop we go. And it appears we are here. As you can see, I'm not sure if it'll pick up from the top there, but it's also MBRP for all the sledders here watching this. MBRP is also made here. You can see they're making them right in there. There's the MBRP sign, and there's the factory right there. So now I guess we gotta figure out exactly where the truck goes. I'm thinking up here maybe? Maybe? This is the MBRP. Okay, this is definitely MBRP, not the garage. I think we're here now. You can see that little red lit up sign way down there. It says the garage. So here we are. Just shy of, time is it? 10:50, almost 11 p.m. And here we are. This is where she's getting done. There's some jacked up trucks in there. And we're finally here. Okay, so let's park the truck. Just a quick walk around. Line-X dealer. You can see they got 4 bays there. The Line-X portion over there. The showroom must be in there. Here's the truck. Yeah, so like I just mentioned, this is the garage. Poor lighting, I'm sorry. This is where the truck's getting done. And then right up there, for all you sled heads, that's where the MBRP factory is. All your cans come for your sleds and your trucks and everything, right there. That's where they're made in Huntsville, Ontario.